once again, I have alien brains. So I think it's the colorants, the fluorescents that are causing that. Not a big deal. But it's just kind of fascinating that it's happened twice now with micas. And this fragrance I know does not heat up or should cause any of this. So anyways, got some cool side stuff going on. So I really hope when I cut this it's not muddy. Like, really, really hope. I was pouring this and I was like, just trust the process, Jennifer, and cross your fingers and hope for the best. So here's hoping the process worked. Okay, let's see. Oh my. Apparently my black was mixed with gray and I did not know this. That's okay. The swirls are, they're swirls. It is very Lisa Frank soap to me. It's not too muddied either, like little bits here and there, but overall, like, you've got some distinct swirls. So this was the other bar. I think I like this one better, but I do like them both. I think they're cute. I love the colors. Oh, I just love the colors. I also did like multiple, like I did with this one, I poured the colors and I poured them again in the pot. So there's more variation throughout the whole bar. So maybe I'd get something different if I just did a single color pour. Well, I'm really annoyed with myself that somehow I mixed gray and black and didn't realize that. It's fine. Just, I get frustrated when I do stuff that I don't realize I did. They're fun. I'll take them. I think it is bright and bold and a little air gap there. And just another little air gap there. I tried very hard not to get air gaps, but that's okay. It's fun. It makes me smile, so I will take it. That's a win. Let me know what you think.